नमस्ते ट्रेडर्स, आप सबका स्वागत है आफ्टर आवर्स विद बेरीज। बैंक निफ्टी जो ने अभी तक रेंज तोड़ा नहीं है। ये जो लेवल मैंने बताया था 42,000 के ऊपर अगर जाए गए तो मैं एक दिन की क्लोजिंग का वेट करूंगा और फिर एक डायरेक्शन का बायस बनेगा। पर आज भी अगर आप देखोगे तो एग्जैक्टली बैंक निफ्टी ने 42,000 के लेवल से रेजिस्टेंस लिया और वापस अभी टुवर्ड्स द लोअर लिमिट ऑफ द रेंज की तरफ जर्नी चालू की है। और रेंजेस का ये होता है कि क्या रेंजेस ऐसे ही फंक्शन करते हैं। दे they will generally tend to switch from the upper limits to the lower limits, and that's how the ranges are formed, right? So now very likely possibility is that the price will test 41,000 again. So now again, what to do in bank nifty? For option buyers, just don't do anything. That is what you need to do in bank nifty or the indices that we have. I will wait for either the levels are marked 42,000 or 41,000. Very simple levels, 1,000 rupee range going on in Bank Nifty. No need to burn your hands. And because the markets have been ranging, I have started tracking stocks a little too more, because you need to find trades. So in stocks, I have plenty now. Let's move on to stocks because in index, it makes no sense of me to just analyzing a range and trying to force uh, a setup, right? So there is no setup happening. Wait for the range to break. That's it. Even if you want to see Nifty, because we always go through Bank Nifty and Nifty, Nifty again. See, there was a supply here. Again, all are this all are marked levels. You guys can go check it out. No doubt, Nifty did break this range and did manage to go up on the upside, but because there is no confirmation from Bank Nifty yet, so I will still not be bullish on Nifty. I'm pretty sure this range or this support area will be tested of 17,900 to 17,950 zones. For me, Nifty will be like super bullish or bullish, or where I get some confirmation is about 18,265 zones. Moving on to stocks, today there were two stocks that really moved. One was Techem. It had a good 5% move on the upside. And if you see, I've plotted the Fibonacci on a weekly time frame, taking the swing lows and the swing high points. And if you see, 0.618 is the golden ratio in Fibonacci. And now it has properly taken once, twice, thrice. Now this is the fourth time, and this candle has some strength to it, right? So I will now wait for two entries. For me now there are two setups. One is I will wait for a weekly closing and then enter at this level. Second would be I would wait for a weekly candle to form above this level. A candle forms and then retest this and then here. So these are the two setups that in Techem that you can look out for. 1 minute, okay. And also, if you go down to a daily, surely this is a super. These two candles have been a massive upswing. This I think 5% each. Yeah. So this is a 12% range that has been forming in Techem. Now, generally, when such two big candles happen, price will tend to move. Retail traders generally now, because this move has happened, they think that a third greed candle will form and try to buy here. No, I will not buy here. I will surely wait for the 1074 level mark. I will be not trading FNO in this. I think I will make a cash position where I can build up my position accordingly, because in cash you get the leeway to put quantities according to your capital, right? In FNO, you have to buy the lot size. So here I would enter like a 30-40 position, and if I get it on the downside more, I would add my whole position. And so this is a trade that I will be closely looking. Tomorrow I expect it to be in this mother candle. Tomorrow price action sure would happen, that most likely that it will be inside this candle itself. And generally that's a good sign, because if this is a rally base formation happening, we want a base to form for the next up move. um, Another one more stock now I have in radar is ONGC. If you see ONGC again, a very stellar move today, a 6% move almost. Again, I will not chase the stock. As I have told you, I'm not a breakout trader. I will look for an entry in this 153.30 will be my entry level. Tomorrow, if I get it here, I will risk like a 0.5% on the downside and hold it for the mother candle high. Now, one more stock. Today I have a lot of stocks because I've been doing a lot of study on stocks now. And if you see, yeah, now Asian Paints is forming a very nice pattern of a ascending triangle. If you see, there's a cup and handle or a BCP also forming. See, if you just plot it like this, it's a good. good cup and handle pattern happening, and these are generally good for breakouts. And I see that this level should get tested at least of 2890, 2890, 2890 or 2900 levels on the watch. So wait for a early breakout about 2830 to go long in Asian Paints. Also one last stock that I have. This is this is something every retailer is, I think, trapped. And now if you see again 0.618, I know it's trading below 0.618, which is not a good sign, but still it's near the zone. It's still not uh, given a very big candle or a very bearish candle on the downside. So I'm still having a bullish bias or a reversal bias that I have it. It's going through a good price contraction and time contraction. If you see, I think it's been what, 4 months now. One, two, three, 4 months, or even if you count this, 4, 5, yeah. So 6 months, 6, 7 months of pure consolidation. Now time consolidation is also happened. Price consolidation has also happened. This is a very risky trade. I Any move above 140 should, I think, should give get some momentum going on this stock, and surely a change of trend will happen only and only above 152 or 153 levels. This is when IEX should start making new highs or start making new higher highs, because here there should be a trend change that happens. If you see, 152 will be a level to watch out in IEX for sure. Before that, 140 needs to break. To give a disclaimer, I have bought a 140 call option in IEX, and it's a very risky trade that I've taken, but it's okay. It's in my risk appetite, and it's a hero or zero kind of trade. So let's see how this plays out in IEX. And I think that's it. I think enough for today. I've given you the four stocks to look out for this week or the coming days. And thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for tuning. Please keep showing the love and support that you guys have been. Share our YouTube channel. Please go like, comment. Feel free to ask us any questions related to finance. And thanks for tuning in.